Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna have a unboxing slash showing you my new carbon steel skillet. It is my very first carbon steel skillet. It's the Winco French style 7 7/8 inch carbon steel skillet. Let's show it. Alright guys, so here it is. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $16. This is not a name brand skillet, of course. Actually, I'm using gas to season it, because it's been proven over again that gas is very good at evenly heating this and getting it well seasoned compared to cooktop, or like my induction is like the worst thing out there at it. So I'm not using induction. Plus I don't have a gas burner, and I absolutely love gas and induction. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and give it its first seasoning. Supposedly there is I think it's a lacquer finish on this. It's not beeswax. I don't feel anything on it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash up really good, and if I get a good season out of it, I'll go and finish the review. Otherwise, here's a skillet. I don't want to put any bad impressions on it if I mess it up, make it look like it's the pan's fault. So with that said, here is the pan. Just want to show you guys, it actually has it's actually really stable. It does have a coating on the handle, so this is not going to technically be oven safe. I wasn't going to use it in the oven anyways for a season like most people do. It weighs a few pounds. And here it is, guys. Very first seasoning. I'm going to let it sit overnight. These will let it harden up a little bit. I'm going to give it a seasoning. I'm going to start cooking on it. Just want to give you the update. But yeah, 7 7/8 inch from edge to edge. Here again. So with that said, I'll do seasoning, and if it turns out good, I'll be back with the rest of the review. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great night.